Hello! Today we're introducing Fleet Management, a new tool for customers on Bortek Shop. To access this tool, first click My Account, and then Company Machines. Here you'll see a list of all of the machines you either bought or have had serviced at Bortek. You can view a machine's details by clicking on its name. From here, you'll be able to assign a nickname to a machine, archive it, or request an address change. Assigning a nickname can help you keep track of identical machines, or remember which machine is in which location. Archiving a machine will send it to the bottom of your machine's list. You'll still be able to see its service history, and you can always bring it out of the archive if you want, but it's a good way of filtering out machines you no longer own. If one of your machines has been serviced through Bortek, you can click the View Service History button on the Machines page and see a history of every service request you've had. Clicking on a completed service request will bring you to that service request's invoice. You can also schedule a new service request from the Machines page, or if that machine already has one in process, you can add information to it. Clicking on an open service request will allow you to send additional information to our service technicians. You can also add your own additional machines. All you need is a make, model, and serial number. This is a good way of keeping track of your entire fleet. This is just the beginning of what we have planned for fleet management on Bortek Shop. Please look forward to additional features in the coming months. New to Bortek Shop? Simply create a new account and we'll connect it so that all of your order history and machines are brought over. You can also order machine parts, scrubber chemicals, and cleaning supplies straight from Bortek Shop. If you have any questions, just give us a call. Thanks for shopping with Bortek.